Welcome back to Studio in a School. Today we're going to make a cityscape. A cityscape is a drawing or a picture of the city. Now the city has a lot of buildings, and so we'll be making a lot of buildings. Let's take a look at some cityscape. Notice the shape of the buildings and the shape of the windows, the shape of the doors, and also notice how the buildings are placed. Some buildings are close together, some buildings are far apart. If you don't have a view of the city, you can always use your imagination to set up some objects, boxes and cans, and bottles, to look like a city, look like buildings. And then you can always add details later, like windows and doors. Make sure you get permission to use the objects that you're going to set up for your cityscape. After you set up your cityscape or have an idea, you can start drawing. I start by drawing a straight line, and that's the ground and that's the sky. Now my building, I just start by doing the outline. Look closely at what I see. Once you have your outline, then you can start putting buildings in front of buildings. So if I put a building like this, and one like that here, I'm overlapping buildings, because in the city there are buildings in front of buildings. Then I can start adding more detail like windows. I'm going to have to erase some buildings to make some seem like it's behind. So if this building is behind, then I would erase lines like this. So erase some lines to make some buildings in front and some behind. This one will be in front. And you can add your details now, like windows and doors. The further the building is, the smaller the windows would be. So to make it seem like the building is far away, you can make the windows smaller. You can even add some buildings way in the distance. Further away, then you won't be able to see the details like the windows. So those could just be colored in one solid color. The closer the building is, the more detail you'll see. So I just keep adding windows and doors and all the details. I like to add a water tower like that. And keep adding to your cityscape until you finish. This would be the street, or you could have it by the water, and in that case this would be water. You can use a pencil to color in some parts of your buildings, like the windows or the walls, different shades. If you have colored pencil, you can always add colors to your building. So continue working on your cityscape until you have all the detail that you like in your cityscape. Remember to have fun and I'll see you next time. Bye.